Hi, this is Miss Harder, and we are doing 3.2.1, solving equations and checking solutions. So CPM 3.2.1. So write this down. All right. So our focus is we're not actually going to look at 370 because we're not going to get out the tiles, but we are going to talk 371, solving equations and checking solutions. Great. So we're focused on 3-71. Okay, what is the solution? So they have A, B, and C. We're going to do A and B, not C. So they've given us something that basically in this lesson you have found a solution to an algebraic equation, but what exactly is a solution? And now you need to justify your answer. So Preston solved this equation and he got the solution of x equals 100. Is he correct? And how do you know? So A, Preston has 3x minus 2 equals 8. And he got that x equals 100. Well, we could do one of two things. First, I'm going to solve it with you so we can get whatever we got, and then we'll put what this guy got over here. So I'm going to solve for x, and how I'm going to do that is I'm going to get rid of the constants by moving it over to the right. And now I've got 3x equals 10. I'm going to get rid of the coefficient by division, and now I have x equals 10/3. That is a long way from 100. So I'm going to plug in this dude's x equals 100 and go x 3 times 100 minus 2 equals, minus 2 equals 8. Well, 3 times 100 is 300, minus 2 equals 8. Well, now I have 298 equals 8. Does 298 equal 8? It does not. So his is not true. Not true. But ours is true. And how do we know? Because we solved for x and got this equation. If I plug it back in for x, we would get where both sides equal 8. So if you did it, you would go 3 times 10/3 minus 2 equals 8. So 3 times 10 is 30 divided by 3. So this is 30 divided by 3 minus 2 equals 8. 3 divided by 30 is 10 minus 2 equals 8. And 10 minus 2 is 8 equals 8. So it does work out to where we are right. Great. All right. So let's go to B. Edwin solved the equation of, let's look at this, B is 2x plus 3 minus x equals 3x minus 5. He's got x equals 4, so we're just going to put that off. This is what this dude thinks. We're just going to say Edwin. Great. So on this side, I'm going to combine like terms. So I've got x, 2x minus x is x plus 3 equals 3x minus 5. Now I'm going to move this x to the right to get all the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract x to get rid of it, and I'm going to rewrite. So I have 3 equals 2x minus 5. I'm going to bring that over here, and I'm going to do that by adding 5 to both sides. So now I have 2x equals 8. I'm going to get rid of the coefficient by division. And now I have, oops, x equals 4. Is that the same thing as Edwin? Yes, Edwin was right. So if we were to plug this into the whole equation, we would get where this side equals this side. Cool? Cool. All right. So let's go to 3-72. Same thing. So 3-72. We have a 3x plus 4 equals x plus 8. We need to get the x's on one side. I'm going to subtract it, rewrite it. So I have 2x plus 4 equals 8. Subtract 4. Subtract 4. I have 2x equals 4. Divide by 2. To get rid of the coefficient, divide by 2. X equals 2. So this has one solution. All right. We need to start talking about that. Do we need to check our solution? Sure, we could. We could take this. We can go 2 times 2 equals 4. And it does. This side equals this side. So let's go to B. 4 minus 2y equals y plus 10. All right, I'm going to move the y over here because I do want it to be positive. So plus 2y plus 2y. So I have 4 equals 3y plus 10. Minus 10, minus 10. Just making sure I'm getting this right. So now I have a negative 6 equals 3y. Awesome. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Y equals negative 2. Can I check it? Yes, I can. I've got a negative 6 equals 3y times negative 2. Negative 6 equals negative 6. So this is a solution. All right. Let's do C and then D, and we will be done. So here's C. I've got C. I've got 5x plus 4 minus 2x equals negative x plus 8. Okay. I'm going to add my x's on this side. So 5, positive 5x minus negative 2x equals 3x plus 4 equals, I'm going to distribute this negative. So I've got a negative x minus 8. I'm going to move this negative over so it can be positive. So now I have 4x plus 4 equals 8. And it's a negative 8. Don't forget that. So I'm going to move this 4 over to here. Minus 4. Minus 4. So now I have 4x equals negative 12. Great. Last thing I'm going to do is divide by 4. Divide by 4. So now I have x equals negative 3. Can I check myself? Yes, I can. If you have 4 times a negative 3 equals negative 12, this side is going to be negative 12, and so is this side. So C is a solution. Last one is D. D. I have, let me move this. I have a negative 2 and a negative 3k. Negative 2 equals a negative 2k plus 8 minus k. I'm going to add like terms. So this is a like term. This is a like term on this side. So now I have negative 3k minus 4 equals a negative 3k plus 8. Now, here's what you're looking at here. You have two 3k's, but this 4 and this 8 don't match. But if, let's just keep solving. If I move this over here, I now have a negative 3k equals a negative 3k plus 12, right? Now, I need to move this 3k over by being positive. And look, they cancel each other out. So now you have 0 equals 12. So this is a no solution. They need to equal each other to be a solution. All right, this was it. Such a short lesson. Good job, everybody, and I will see you on the next time.